The final thing we need to know for Unit 1.1 is the research on nature versus nurture. Scientists have studied the effects of heredity and environment using twin, family, and adoption studies. Twin studies compare identical twins who share almost 100% of their genes, and fraternal twins who on average share about 50% of their genes, to see how much traits are influenced by genetics. If identical twins are more alike in a trait than fraternal twins, it suggests that genes play a bigger role. By studying twins raised in different environments, scientists can also see how much the environment affects traits like intelligence and personality. Family studies look at how traits run in families by comparing parents, siblings, and extended relatives. If a trait appears more often in closely related family members, it suggests genetics play a role. However, since families also share environments, it can be hard to tell whether genes or surroundings have a bigger influence. Adoption studies compare adopted children to both their biological and adoptive families to see whether genes or environment have a stronger effect. If a child is more similar to their biological parents, it suggests genetics play a bigger role, while similarities to adoptive parents point to environmental influences. These studies help scientists understand traits like intelligence, personality, and even the risk of certain diseases. These three types of studies have shown that both nature and nurture play important roles in shaping who we become, reinforcing the interactionist perspective on psychological development. If you're an AP Psychology student, make sure you grab my free AP Psychology course checklist to test your knowledge of the whole course. There's a link below to get it. It's completely free and a must-have for all my students. I'll also throw in my full AP Psychology glossary and vocabulary bank, and my guide to the 5 hardest AP Psych questions that students get wrong in their exam. This video has been a snippet from my complete 4-hour AP Psych study guide video that covers the curriculum in one mega video. You can click that video on the screen now to watch it.